Welcome to Sunshine Daycare. Meet Zoe, Jaden, and Kendall.
I love building with blocks.
Let's make the tallest tower ever.
Race cars after this?
Today is full of fun and learning. Looks like they're having lots of fun. But what happens when playtime is done? Uh-oh, the toys are all over the floor.
It's kind of messy.
I can't even find my red car.
How will we play again if we can't find anything?
When we're done playing, it's important to clean up. That's called responsibility. Tidy time. Song. It's tidy time, cleanup time. Let's put toys back in a line. Blocks go here, cars go there. Cleaning up shows that we care. Let's work together, you and me. It's more fun as a team of 3. Pick it up, put it away so we can play another day. It's tidy time, clean up time. Let's put toys back in a line. Sweep the floor, wipe the table. Clean up fast as we are able. Let's work together, you and me. It's more fun as a team of 3. Pick it up, put it away so we can play another day.
This is heavy. Oh.
Let's help him together.
That's teamwork. Helping friends makes big jobs easier.
I saw it first.
But I was reaching for it.
Let's share and finish it together.
Sharing is caring, and it feels good too.
Great job, everyone! Now that everything's tidy, we can go outside.
Cleaning up means more time for fun.
And no one trips on toys.
I'm proud of us.
We did it together. We worked as a team. We helped out. That's what being friends is all about. We shared, we cleaned, we did our best. Now it's time to take a rest. We learned to tidy, share, and care, to clean up toys and always be fair. With Zoe, Jaden, Kendall too, tidy time is fun to do. Remember, every day can be fun when you help, share, and clean up when you're done.